Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with DaVinci Resolve for using Fusion Effects step by step clearly. To register with DaVinci Resolve for using Fusion Effects, first, launch the software on your computer. Once DaVinci Resolve is open, navigate to the Help menu located in the top menu bar. In the drop-down list, look for the option labeled Activate License and click on it. If you are a new user, select the Start Free Trial option presented on the screen. Review the terms and conditions, and if you agree, check the box to proceed. Next, you will be asked to provide your email address. Enter a valid email address that you regularly check. After entering your email, click the Send Activation Email button. Go to your email inbox and locate the activation email from DaVinci Resolve. Click on the link within the email to confirm your registration. You will be redirected back to the DaVinci Resolve software. Complete any additional setup prompts that may appear on your screen. Once you finish the setup, navigate to the Fusion tab at the bottom of the interface. Explore the various Fusion effects available to enhance your projects. Congratulations! You are now registered and ready to use Fusion effects in DaVinci Resolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.